Here we are, the Northeast PA hunting show. Today is May 7th. As we told you before, we were worried about a few frosts that we had, and Jason came up yesterday after we had to do some work around the yard and the house at home, both of us over the weekend. And what we ended up seeing, or what Jason ended up seeing, was that the top plot of our alfalfa was dead completely. And if you look behind me, you can see our turnips. This is the slaughterhouse plot, and our turnips flourished well. It made it through the frost. And what we have now is we came up and we had to replant the alfalfa again. So we came up. Jay's gonna have Jason Kelly's wife is gonna have the baby next Tuesday. So that put us in a real time crunch in terms of trying to get that plot done. So what we did was we came up after work. A rainy, misty day. It was kind of a little muddy up there, but we were able to get the alfalfa in. We got it raked up again, put the alfalfa and the fertilizer down, rolled it one more time, and hopefully now we'll get that to grow. But so far, the turnips look great. We're going to go over and show you the pictures of the other plot. But you can see the whole plot right across is all turnips. They're up at least 3-4 inches already, and we have one little spot of grass in the middle, but hopefully this stuff grows and chokes it out, and we're going to be in really good shape. We'll take you over and show you the oats plot. That Jay said that looked really good last week too, so we're thrilled about the way our plots look. They're in the ground for about a month now. We had a cold spell, everything warmed up and got a lot of rain this past week, so everything really flourished. So we're looking forward to it, and we'll show you the oats plot in a second.